Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can find these over at zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code RamenRater for a discount. And yeah, let's crack this sucker open. A box of noodles. So the first thing you'll see when you open the box is this thank you note. No, thank you. Also, you'll see this informative sheet. It has information about every variety that you will find within. So this month it's the Tantan and Tonkatsu pack, and there are 7 varieties. All right. And this is the package for May 2019. Alright, so first off we have Marushan Saimen Tonkatsu Shoyu Ramen. Some of you have already experienced eating Marushan Saimen before. It tastes as if it was freshly made noodle on site. It is smooth, yet it has body in it, which makes it very special among instant noodles. The thick tonkatsu soup is well balanced with rich soy sauce. Next up, some fine dining with Marushan Main Dining Tantan Men. This smoothly textured noodle and the slightly sour soy sauce based tantan broth won't give you any guilt eating ramen. Huajiao Szechuan pepper gives a perfect accent to the taste. Toppings are minced seasoned chicken, sesame, and bok choy. Next up, Ace Cook Sibura Tonkatsu Ramen. I've found that all these Sibura varieties that I've tried have been really good, so this is cool. This might be a really good one. Try this one and compare yourself with the same brand of Tantan noodle to see which one you finish more quickly. Oh, okay. So there's this one, and then there's another Ace Cook Tantan Men, which we have right here. This is the other one, so you can compare whether you like the first one I showed over this one, or this one over the other one. Something you can do. So we got another Marushan here. This one is Yellow Hakata Tonkatsu Ramen. This is a brand new ramen that just debuted. It's an updated version of an original that came out in 1982. The simplicity of the bowl ramen is just right and irresistible. You can taste the kikoraji, woodier mushroom, as one of the toppings. And here's something from Nissan. This is their Men Shokunin Tonkatsu Ramen. Men Shokunin is a pretty high-end line from Nissan. There's some really good flavors in here, and I bet this is gonna be one of them. Indulge yourself freely with this dish because these are non-fried noodles with whole grains. We love, in capital letters, how healthy the noodle tastes, and no wonder it is so very popular. The tonkatsu soup has much depth of flavor, matching perfectly with garlic. Toppings are chashu, woodier mushroom, and scallion. And finally, the last one for the May 2019 Zenpop box, we have Sapporo Ichiban with the Hiroshima Soupless Tantan Men. This ramen is one of the Tabimen collections, including local ramen enjoyed in specific regions of Japan, and this one introduces you to a popular local soupless tanmen noodle from Hiroshima. The noodle is thin, yet it has crisp texture to match that soy sauce-based pork umami along with sesame and a lingering spicy chili pepper. It's a spicy one, so make sure to have water on the table. Alright, so in this month's Zenpop box, you get Soupless Tantan Men, Ace Cook Tantan Men, Sibura Tonkatsu Ramen, Marushan Fine Dining, Saimen Tonkatsu Shoyu, Yellow Hakata Tonkatsu, Men Shokunin Tonkatsu, your information sheet that you really need to guard with your life, and a thank you note. Alright, well, thank you to the fine folks over at zenpop.jp in Japan for shooting these over every month. I really appreciate it. And yeah, the coupon code, if you'd like to get one, is Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.